I bet I know what you're thinking. Hand warmers are great, but what about warmers for feet? But I'm talking about real shoes for real people that do stuff outdoors. Go hiking through the snow or, attacking Russia during the coldest winter on record. Again, how are you gonna keep your feet warm? Nobody ever thinks of these things. Well, I'm Dayton Aardema, and I'm here to help. If you need something to bring the heat, Nichrome Answers. Nichrome, in case you didn't know, is a resistive heating element. It's ductile enough to bend into any shape that you want, yet sturdy enough to hold its shape, and shiny enough to not lose my attention. And after only a little bit of wire bending, may I present Dr. Dayton's orthopedic heating insert. It'll reinvigorate and rejuvenate your body while you work. I mean, it might. You won't know until you try. One of the things to note is that it's all one continuous wire, and I can't have any discontinuities anywhere here. Can you see this? I get the feeling you can't see this. You see, it has to all be one continuous wire in order to conduct, and there can't be any shorts along the way, otherwise parts of this element won't be heated. Keep in mind that this material is essentially one big long resistor, and the longer you make it, the more resistance it'll have, and the thicker you make it, the less resistance it'll have. It's like a toaster for your toes, a toes-ter, if you will. You want to know if it's safe. Well, you ask too many questions, prospective buyer. I mean, it probably is. Notice how when you put a voltage across nichrome, it takes it not long at all to begin heating up. In fact, ow! You see, if you dislike first-degree burns and you're not a total idiot, then you'll hook it up before you start running current through it. You see, even with this small amount of power, the nichrome still gets quite hot. To get results a little faster, I think I might use a variable transformer. Ow! Well, thank goodness they have their chassis grounded, so you don't electrocute yourself. Unless you're holding one of the terminals, in which case you do. There we go. Oh yeah, that'll keep your toesies nice and warm. I wonder if it's still hot. Ow! Crap. Not again. The day I build something without testing it is the day I'm out of a job. So of course I'm gonna test this with my gym shoes. Notice how the product inserts neatly into any size shoe. Now, same setup as before, but now with the Toes-ter. Oh yeah, you can feel it's nice and warm. What? Is that smoke? Oh, crap. Well, hey, to be fair, I never said it was safe. You want to know if it's safe. I mean, it probably is. Confound you timestamps. You see, that's why I wear orthopedic shoes, because I stand corrected. Looks like the nichrome wire burned itself straight into the shoe. It's still good. A little duct tape, a little hot glue, and they'll be back in action in no time. So chances are you don't want to carry around a Variac with you everywhere that you go. That's fair. So what we can use instead is one of these 6-volt lantern batteries. You may have noticed that there's no switch between the battery and the nichrome. That's intentional. That way you won't need to make as many trips to the chiropractor. You're welcome. So here's the final design that I settled on. The nichrome goes to these banana clip leads, which clip into the back of the lantern battery on the back of every single pair of Dayton's Toes-ter shoes. Remember, that's Toes-ter. And there it is, the hottest fashion statement of the century. What I do for science. little hotter than I thought they would be. The left one in particular. I think it's shooting out somewhere near the heel. Oh. I still cannot wait to try these. Well, they're definitely a little difficult to walk in, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. Crap. That never happened. Might be too early to say for sure, but out in the cold these were actually kind of effective, which is sad considering I meant for them to be ridiculous. Hey, thanks for watching. So what are you waiting for? Go out and get yourself a pair of Toes-ters today. Say, I have a theory. If you made it this far in the video, I bet you liked it. So why don't you go ahead and let me know by pressing the like button below. Also, while you're down there, there's also a subscribe button, you know, just in case you like me and want to see more of my content. If not, hey, that's cool. I reserve no judgment. Loser.